Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over and update you guys on Doge, as Doge has been on quite the run up in the last few days, and it looks like it has been selling off in the last few hours. But I did want to go over and update you guys, as a lot of people have been asking, are the Dojies going to come back and break over $1, or are they going to sell off as we have been seeing in the last few hours? So I'm going to go over an exact analysis on which indicators we are going to be looking out for on this breakout, and exactly which alerts I will be setting, so that way if Doge does break out, we won't miss out on it. And again, I do appreciate all the love you guys been showing me in the comment section as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys have not subscribed, we do go out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts and alerts that we do set for every stock, so that way you guys do not miss out on them. So again, I'm going to go over Doge. The overall market has been on quite the sell-off. So there's not a lot of things that we can play, and Doge happens to be one of those things. And this is not exactly one of those things that I like to say is a great investment necessarily, but it is something that you could scalp if you play it right. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to be looking out for on a breakout here, and exactly how I'm going to play into this one. So I'm going to go over the 15-minute here so you can see what we're going to be looking at short term. And then I'm going to go over the 4 hours so you can see what we're looking at going into May 8th. So we do have a huge sell-off that we did see here. We did drop below the 50 MA. We even see the 20 MA dropping below the 50 here on the 15-minute. But you can see on the 1 hour, it looks like the 50 MA did have a bounce with this huge red candle here that we saw on the 15-minute. So we could possibly see just on a huge bounce play here on the 50 MA. We saw this earlier where the 50 MA did get bounced off of back here. We saw a huge run. So again, Doge does like to bounce off the 50 MA pretty strong. We could see a continuation. We are going to be waiting for this 20 MA to start to curl up like we have been. We're going to make sure that we do have this 20 MA holding above the 50 as well, and want to see these candles breaking above it. We want to ultimately see this breaking into new highs above 70 cents, in my opinion. But again, Doge, we do have May 8th coming in. So I'm going to go over the 4 hours so you guys can see exactly what we're looking at here. So we do have buy pressure that is coming in. We can see the white shaded lines that have been coming in as well. We saw this happen multiple times. We saw the white shaded lines coming in, which is it signifies a sell-off, but not necessarily a continuation sell-off. So we do see the same thing happening again. We may come down to this level again, and then possibly bounce off from there. So again, we are going to possibly test the 20 MA or 50 MA on the 1 hour again, and possibly bounce off of it. So we are going to keep Doge on watch. We're going to definitely play careful here, but we are going to set an alert around 70 cents. So that way, if it does break over to 70 cents, we did mention this the other day, if it broke over 45 cents into 46 cents, then we would have made a nice play on it, and we win up about 25% on that play. So on Doge, in my opinion, based on how much it has been coming up, we're going to play the same thing here. If it breaks new highs, then I'll be buying into it around 71 cents, as in my opinion, based on the momentum that it could be having going into Saturday Night Live, where Doge is going to be mentioned, then we are going to possibly see that run up. So again, I will be waiting for that 70-cent mark. I am going to play this one safe here, as you do see on the larger time frame that we do see a decrease in buy pressure. So that is what I'll be doing going into Doge. But again, I hope you guys have been enjoying entries and breakouts. We did go over the overall market in the last video, so definitely check that out if you're curious about how bad the market overall really does look. That is why I made that video. I do usually post about many stocks that are possible run-ups going into tomorrow, but I definitely held back because we could possibly see a continuation on a sell-off, which is why I made the video on the market crash in the last video. But again, I do appreciate all of you guys been showing me in the comment section. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do have a watch list, tickers, questions, throw in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.